Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on keto and how you can be successful losing weight too. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for more videos like this one that will help you on your own ketogenic journey. Good morning, you guys. I am still in my PJs and we just finished up with our homeschool for the morning and I am craving sausage, biscuits, and gravy. That is like one of my favorite foods and I don't see why I can't make it on keto. So I'm gonna see if I can figure it out. If it tastes good, I'll post this video for you as a recipe, but if it doesn't, this will just go into the oblivion somewhere. Because I look like I came from the oblivion right now, but I hope you guys can forgive me. I just wanted to share what I was doing in case it works out, and then you can try it too. Okay, so in a pan, I have measured here 5 ounces of 80/20 Italian sausage. And I got this from my local store, but it's pretty good macros for either the high fat or the low fat version of keto, so I'm going to go ahead and cook this up as my first step in making a keto sausage gravy. You guys can see this is not very fatty meat. Like, it is sticking really bad to my pan. There's like no fat in it whatsoever. My goodness. My sausage is done, and I don't even know what I'm doing, so you may not want to try this, but I am going to take a half a teaspoon of xanthan gum, and I'm just going to sprinkle it over my meat. And then I'm going to do a teaspoon of chicken bouillon over the top of that. This is the Knorr brand that I use. So I'm using this Knorr brand, but you can use whatever one you want to use. Okay, and now I'm going to add just a cup of water. Woo! Oh, it's hot. Okay. Yeah, you may want to, I don't know, I'm not good at cooking. I mean, this might turn out. Might. Woo! Okay then. Now, because I put the xanthan gum in there, that should thicken up like a gravy. To make it white, I am going to add in some heavy cream. Okay, I am going to do 5 tablespoons of heavy cream. I am just going to add some salt and pepper. I'm not really going to measure it. I'm just gonna hope. Alright, I'm gonna taste it and see if it's seasoned well. That is amazing. Okay, so I'm just gonna simmer this and let it reduce down. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna make my biscuit chaffles. This biscuit recipe is going to be kind of high in fat because that's what I'm doing right now. If you want to make it for the lower fat macros, you're probably going to want to use less almond flour and just do more of like a real chaffle, a regular chaffle with just egg and cheese. But I am going to do like the 90-second bread recipe. So I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of almond flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and some salt. I like to combine the dry ingredients. I don't know if that's really necessary, but I do that so that the baking powder doesn't get one big lump. And adding 1 egg, maybe. Woo. Hard to do with one hand. All right, and a tablespoon of olive oil because I'm out of butter and I don't want to use coconut oil for this recipe, but you can use the oil of your choice or not have oil at all. I find they actually work pretty well without oil. Right, then I'm gonna mix that all up together. Oh, I love my chicken eggs, aren't they pretty? You guys should get some chickens. I would just put that in a mug and cook it 90 seconds in the microwave for 90-second bread, but today I'm gonna try putting it in the chaffle maker with some cheese. So I'm gonna put on about, I don't know, 8 grams of cheese for the bottom, and then for the top, about the same. You can use how much you want, and make me some chaffles. cheese is escaping. There we go. Cook that for about 3 minutes. All right, see how it looks. Ooh, delicious. Just gonna pop it out of there. Oh, wow, it's nice and stiff. Not used to that with just the egg. Okay, and then I'll make a couple more. All right, as you can see, my gravy has thickened up nicely. I did end up sprinkling a tiny bit more of xanthan gum in there just to give it a little bit more firmness, but not a heck of a lot more than what I said for the recipe. So I'm gonna get my chaffles ready and put the gravy on top. All right. Put it on top. Maybe, there we go. And there it is, my biscuits and gravy chaffle. I cannot wait to dig in. I put a little green onion on top, but these look amazing. All right, taste test time. Not bad. It's kind of spicy. The sausage must be really, really spicy. A little too salty. I probably shouldn't have put quite so much salt in it, but it definitely satisfies the biscuits and sausage gravy craving. Success. So I'm gonna post this video for you because it worked out. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try it. And let me know if you like it in the comments below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.